Vlogtober episode. Right now, I think it's almost 7 a.m. I woke up around 6:30ish. I have just done some light stretching, some lymphatic drainage. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I have really swollen eyes. They're still swollen, you can see it here. So I do a little bit of lymphatic drainage. It's kind of like doing wash up, but like I use my hands or knuckles instead. But it really helps me feel awake early in the morning. So I really recommend it if anyone has like lymphedema where your eyes get swollen or your face gets swollen early in the morning. You should definitely try it out. Right now it's 7 a.m. I'll start getting ready at 8, so I have 1 hour to kill. And I was thinking maybe I'll catch up on some Korean at this time. Right in early morning. That is my office building, or the back side of my office building. There's the entry gate, and I'm almost ready. It's only 8:30 right now, so I can go out, have the breakfast, then come back and get the rest of the stuff done. I've also left a few clothes to get aired out. I still have to pack my bag for the office. Of course, I have to do something about my face and my hair. But I'm kind of hungry, and breakfast started at 8, so I think 8:30 is an acceptable time to go and eat. So let's do that. Back for breakfast. I've got enough time. It's not even 9 maybe. I think I'm going to sit and relax for a bit. And then I'm going to clean up and do my hair. And maybe a little bit of makeup. But I kind of want to relax right now. Jacket, a crop top underneath.